In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give cPanel access to a developer on Hostinger. Whether you're running a website that requires occasional tweaks or you're simply in need of additional expertise, providing access to your cPanel is a crucial step in enabling developers to work effectively. It might seem a little daunting if you're new to this, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive straight into it, beginning with logging into your Hostinger account. The first thing you need to do is navigate to Hostinger's main website, which you can easily find by visiting hpanel.hostinger.com. Once there, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. You'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your hosting activities. Make yourself familiar with this space, as we'll be interacting with it frequently. Now, let's move on to the next step. In your dashboard, look for and click on the Account Sharing option. This feature is pivotal when you want to give someone else access to your account without compromising your security. It's specifically designed to facilitate collaboration, ensuring that your developer can access what they need while maintaining your control over the account. Once you're on the account sharing page, you'll come across two main options: Request Access and Grant Access. As we're focusing on granting a developer access, you'll want to click on the Grant Access option. This is where you'll specify the permissions you wish to extend. Carefully consider the level of access you're comfortable giving, balancing trust and necessity to ensure they can carry out their tasks while keeping sensitive information secure. After clicking on Grant Access, you'll be prompted to enter the details of the person you're granting access to. This generally includes their email address, so double-check that you have this information correct. It's crucial as it ensures that the access is granted to the right person, preventing any potential mishaps or security breaches. After you've entered their details, you can choose to customize the access level, depending on their role and the tasks they need to perform. Usually, for developers, it's ideal to provide them with rather specific access settings that align with their work scope. Once all the information is entered and you're satisfied with the settings, finalize the process by confirming your decision. At this point, the person will receive an email inviting them to access your Hostinger cPanel with the permissions you've set. Make sure to touch base with them, confirming they've received the access successfully. And there you have it, a simple, secure way to give a developer cPanel access on Hostinger. This method allows for smooth collaboration while keeping you in control. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks.